Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to install Joomla through Fantastico De Luxe on cPanel. The first thing that you'll need to do is log into the cPanel of your hosting package and then go down to the Software and Services section and click on Fantastico De Luxe. Once you've clicked on Fantastico De Luxe, you'll see that it lists a whole bunch of softwares that you can install on the hosting package. All that we're going to be focusing on right now is Joomla 2.5. So you'll click on Joomla 2.5 from the left-hand column, and then you'll see some information, a short description about Joomla in the right-hand column. We'll click on New Installation so that we can install Joomla. You'll see Install on Domain. This has a drop-down menu. If you have more than one domain parked as a parked or add-on domain or any subdomains, you can select those from the domain here, and it'll install into those specific subdirectories. Or if you want to install it into a specific subdirectory without having a subdomain or add-on domain, you can specify that directory here. Alternatively, you can leave it blank and it'll install directly into the domain address that you selected from the drop-down menu. Now, the admin access data, this is information that this is the username and password information that you'll use to log into the administrator section of Joomla. Very big note here, do not make the username admin or administrator, as it is a very common name and therefore very easily guessed by hackers. So we'll simply use here I've used my initials with my last name and then any password. I'm just using password as an example here, so please don't use password in your installations. Then the admin email, you can set your email address in here so that you receive notifications of Joomla's activities. And then the admin full name, here you can use administrator because this is just a name that's going to be displaying on the site. Then last, the site name. This you can enter anything that you want to display on Joomla. So I'm just going to type in there my test site. And then here you have an option to install sample data or not. And you can just tick or untick that. Then click Install Joomla 2.5. Now you'll see here it does give me an error message, and if you read through this error message, you'll see that the problem here is the images folder in the hosting package. This is because this is a clean hosting package and I haven't done anything on this package just yet. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll just right click on Control Panel here and open in a new tab. Then I'll go to File Manager and I'll select Web Root as well as Show Hidden Files, and then click Go. Now once the directory loads here, I'll then look for the images folder, which is here, select it, and now I can either delete it or rename it. So here I'm just going to rename it and add -ol to the end, and then rename the folder. Now I can close these two tabs, go back to Fantastico, just click back on my browser, and then click Install Joomla 2.5 again. And now I can finish the installation. Once the installation is done, you'll see that it gives you two links here, one for the administrator page and one for the main website, which we're both opening up here right now. So here's your administrator login page where we can enter in the username and the password that we selected, and here is the main website with the sample data, as I did select to install sample data. Here's the administrator page after we've logged in.